Advanced Python programming. Advanced Python programming for image processing application. We're talking about the profiling and benchmarking. Now I'm talking about the second method that you can use for profiling. The first method is cProfile that I mentioned before and write sample code. The second one, you need to install the packages, line profiler. When you install this one, you can use it for line by line profiling your application and for the Python program that you have, and it gives you all sort of information about how many calls, what time it takes, and you can define the bottleneck of your program. So you must install these packages, pip install line profile, and then you use decorator for each function that you want to use. Then in order to run your program, instead of using Python, your script using this line profiler with your script is run and also show all the information. Make sure if you are multithreading or multiprocessor, this function, this library change the way that process your application and doesn't give you a good result, and you must use other type of application like cProfile. Okay, as an example, we write a simple program. In this program we use OpenCV and just face detection of the OpenCV. Okay, as I mentioned before, you need to install these packages, and then for running the program you need to use this. Okay, before that we use cProfile, but for now we want to use line profiler, and this is the decorator that you used before function. In this function we convert the image and use OpenCV to do the face recognition and face detection, and here they run the program. I comment out all these lines based on the cProfiler. We just use line profiler. Okay, now we want to run the program and see the result. It's camera on, take 100 frame and give the result. And here's the result. Total take 3 seconds, and for example in this function this one takes 2% of the time, but face detection take 97% of the time for this application. And this hits is because 100 times we run the program is showing this. Yes.